One of the great things about the recent Citizens United Supreme Court case is that it widely expands citizens' participation in government. And what most people don't know is a small aspect of the case where you can now bid on a Supreme Court justice's vote on eBay. And I wanted to create this screencast to show you how to do that, give you some tips. So the first thing you want to do is go right here to the Supreme Court Justice's Supreme Court website. And you can look up the case that you want to bid on eBay. You can look up by the docket, either by the court case number, or you can search for the topic of the case. For example, I like to bid on toxic chemical cases. So you put in toxic chemicals, and you just search, and then you can find all the different toxic chemical cases that you can bid on. And sometimes you can get a great deal on a toxic chemical case. When other people aren't following that case, you just put in your eBay bid. I like to bid in the last 2 minutes in eBay. And then you can kind of snag that court case. It's a lot of fun. One of the best parts is that your money goes directly to the Supreme Court Justice. There is no money lost on overhead. Another thing I like to bid on is death penalty. Just put in death penalty. And it's nothing more fun than bidding on a death penalty case. So you come over here to eBay, and what you do is you can also bid on eBay. You can search by any Supreme Court Justice. You put in the Supreme Court Justice's name, and it tells you all the different kinds of bids. Now, out of basic fairness, only 4 out of the 9 justices' bids are up for bid at any time. 5 of them you can't bid on. That only makes sense. But you can really get some good deals. And why waste your time buying antiques on eBay when you could be buying a Supreme Court Justice's vote? It's way more fun, and it's citizen participation in government at the highest level, because regardless of your race or your religion or whether you're poor or rich, anybody can bid on a vote, Supreme Court Justice's vote, right here on eBay.